So this is my homemade no-bake cheesecake. Oh, very easy, quick, and healthy as well. Today, I am going to teach you how to make a no-bake cheesecake. Well, I learned this recipe from one of my friends. Since then, I always, make no-bake cheesecake when there's like birthday or there's like a friend celebration. Yeah, I love it. I really like it, and for sure, you will like it too. Today I am going to make two cheesecake. Since I know my visitors are a little bit, they eat a lot, so I am going to make two for them. There are very few ingredients that we need, so you need 2 cups of whipping cream, 2 cups of cream cheese, original cream cheese, and you need about 3 tablespoons of pineapple juice or pineapple syrup if you want, and 1 cup of sugar. White sugar is better. And of course, I have here the ready-made graham pie crust. So if you want, you can do your own pie crust, but I prefer to buy. I love this one. You can buy a chocolate or whatever you want, but I would use graham pie crust. And of course, for the toppings, I love strawberries. So I'm gonna use strawberries for my toppings. And I have here, a couple of peaches. So you can put peach if you want, but I love it too. So I'm gonna put peach. And I have here, this is ready-made glaze. So this is a peach flavored. So you can choose whatever you want, whatever flavor you want. This is only for my toppings. So, but if you don't want like toppings, just you don't need all of it. Some of this. And those are all your ingredients, or our ingredients rather. Well, I'm ready and I'm excited to make it. Let me just put my apron on and we'll start it. Well, first we are going to put our whipping cream into our bowl, and we are going to use hand mixer to make it more creamy. So that's it. That's my whipping cream. And so that's 2 cups of whipping cream. We are going to use hand mixer to mix it. While you're mixing your whipping cream, you can add sugar little by little. So when you see that it's a little bit more creamy, so you have to, that's done. So meaning that's done. Just like this one, good. And now we are going to add our cream cheese. You can just put half at a time, so it will, make sure that it will blend to our mixture really good. And while you're mixing, go ahead and we are going to add our 3 tablespoons of pineapple juice. now that our mixture is already mixed really well, just fold it a little bit. See if you can see that. It is beautiful. See the texture? It's so nice. And we are going to put it into our pie crust. So our mixture are now ready. We are going to put it into our pie crust. So let me do it now. So see, as you can see, these are all ready now. We can start adding our glaze. If you don't want the glaze, you can skip it, but I love putting glaze in it. If you notice that your glaze is a little bit thick and it's a little bit thick, just you can warm it a little bit to make sure that it's a little bit. So as you notice, I only put my glaze in the middle because I'm going to surround this with my strawberries and peaches. So yeah, this is my favorite portion of making this because I love strawberries. I love putting fruit in my cake. So yeah, I'm not good in decorations, but I'll try my best. Let's start. So my strawberries are ready. Look at this. That's why this is my favorite. Look how beautiful this is. And I am ready now to decorate my no-bake cheesecake. Let me start. Now I'm going to slice my peach to make it just garnish it there. See, now I slice my peach. I'm going to decorate my cheesecake with this. Guys, this is fun, really fun. So guys, there you go. This is the second one, and I don't know if I overdo it, but this design I still have peaches here. It's really sweet. So this is the finished products. So I have here first one I made, which is I think I like this one better, but this is also the other one is also really nice. those peach and strawberries, and I love those fruits. Sweet and really healthy. So this is very easy, you know. So this is my homemade no-bake cheesecake. All very easy, quick, and healthy as well. All you have to do is, after this, you have to put it in your fridge for like 4 to 6 hours. You just make it a little bit firm, and you know, it's ready to eat. So it is really, really good. It's ready for tomorrow. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can also follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Thank you!